In 2 weeks, I went from 180 plus subscribers to about 350 subscribers through live streaming. One of the benefits of live streaming is you grow faster on YouTube. Your subscribers will increase, your watch hours will increase. That is to say, you get your 1,000 subscribers faster and your 4,000 watch hours faster. And you know, for monetization here on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So if you keep live streaming, you're going to hit that faster. And the sweetest part is that to live stream, all you need is 50 subscribers and make sure that your YouTube channel is verified. Now, if you don't know how to verify your YouTube channel, go ahead and watch this video right here, where I explain everything you need to know on how to verify your YouTube channel and how you can confirm that your YouTube channel is verified. If you're very busy and you do not have the time to sit on a live stream, to do a talking head live stream, you can use the green screen live stream, where all you need to do is upload a picture and leave the rest to YouTube. Just upload a picture using the green screen, and then make sure you add a title, make sure you optimize your description, and YouTube is going to push it out for you, just like the way YouTube pushes out your shorts. Just make sure that you are encouraging those that come in once in a while. If you can, just unmute your audio and then tell people on the live stream to please like and also subscribe. That's the fastest way to go on YouTube. So if you cannot do a talking head live stream, you can easily use a picture, mute your audio and turn off your camera. You can simply use a picture and mute your audio. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the green screen to live stream on YouTube. It's very easy. All you need to do before you start the live stream, just make sure that you bring your pictures forward, you screen grab them or screenshot them, and just make sure that they are like at the beginning of your camera roll, so that you don't have to start scrolling down. On your YouTube app, click on this plus sign and then you choose live. You can see video, short, live, and post. So you choose live because you want to go live. Now when it loads, this is what you see. So all you need to do is click on this pencil sign, and then you edit your title to whatever your live stream is going to be about. So let me just say 1K subscribers fast. Now make sure your visibility is public and select your audience to know it's not made for kids. Click on this arrow to go back and then change your description to something that is going to match up with the title you have selected. Also make sure to change your hashtags to also suit your title. Next, you go back by clicking on the arrow and then you choose your location if you want to choose a location. For me, I don't like to choose a location because I feel that choosing a location limits your views. It actually just streamlines your video, your live stream to just people in a particular location, and that will be limiting. So I just leave my location like that so that people from different countries can join my live stream. Next, you click on go live. So at the count of 3, it's going to go live. Now you can see it going live, which means I'm about to go live, and in a short while, okay, I'll see these items by the side. So now you can see that I'm live now. So if you look at the top, you see an image and 0. That means there's nobody on live stream right now. And you see a thumbs up with 0 by it. That means nobody has liked this live stream. So when people start coming into the live stream and liking the live stream, it will reflect on the images there. At the bottom, before you start live streaming, when you have gone live, when you are showing that you have gone live, at the bottom, make sure that you change it to from this chat filter. Just click on this chat filter and change it. Now you can see top messages, all messages, and none. If you don't want any messages, you can put it on none, but if you want messages, make sure you put it on all messages. If you put it on top messages, maybe only the first 5 or 10 messages would be appearing on your screen, and you want to see all messages so you can respond to all messages on your live stream. So make sure you always put it at all messages, not on top messages. So once that is set, you come to these icons by your side. The second icon says microphone. Just put it on mute so that whatever is happening at your background will not be reflecting in your live stream, because you know it's a green screen live stream, so it's like streaming a picture, so the background audio, the background sound should not be reflecting on the live stream. Click on this last icon that has a square with stripes and an image in it, and then it's going to bring you to your gallery. It's going to show you the images on your gallery, but make sure that before you do this step, you have brought out the image you want to use for this live stream to the top of your gallery. Make sure that you screenshot it or download it, and make sure that it's among the first pictures on your gallery. So it's going to load. Once you touch that icon, this is how it appears. Your background changes to green. That's why it's called green screen. Your background changes to green, then your images will load. Now my images have finished loading, so I'm just going to choose one of these images to use as my live stream. After choosing the image, you just click on done. This part here that says done, you just tap on it after choosing your image. Now my face is showing on the screen because I'm looking into my camera. Once I take my face off the camera, you're going to see the picture that I have used as my live stream showing at the back. Now make sure that you're advising or encouraging your audience to double tap on their screen to like this live stream, and make sure that you're telling them to also subscribe. There are other icons you can use, like what's it called? Either you are going to see poll and start Q&A, so you can use either of those icons. I didn't get to record that part, I forgot, so just check it out on your own. You can use either the Q&A or the poll to encourage your audience to like your live stream and also subscribe to your channel. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment for me, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Now if you look at the top, you are going to see that that image icon has changed to 5. That means 5 people are on the live stream presently. This green screen method of live streaming, I call it the lazy man style, because there are times when I feel so tired and I know that I haven't had the time to film a YouTube video, but I know that I have to upload something on my channel, so I just go live and put the phone down, and then I go to sleep, and then I'm sure that something is happening on my channel, like something is going on for the YouTube algorithm to see and then push out my channel and my content. So you too can do this and be sure that you'll be growing your watch time. This particular style of live stream, I have done it several times on my channel, and there was one that gave me almost 5,000 views and 50 hours with about 30 new subscribers. So you too can do this. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you have been live streaming using the green screen mode, please drop your experience in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on any of my updates. For now, bye.